Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at an Omega Speedmaster. This is a 2-counter Moonphase, 44.25mm watch with a blue index dial and a blue ceramic bezel. The reference number for this watch is 304.33.44.52.03.001. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $10,600 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and strap, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The case on this Omega Speedmaster is 44.25mm. It's a large size watch. Measures from my thumb to my pointer finger here. This watch probably fits somebody who's probably 170 pounds or more. It does look too large on my medium-sized wrist. Let's try it on. It'll probably fit, but it's going to be large. The lugs don't go over my wrist, so yeah, I could wear it possibly. But I probably prefer like a 42mm or a 40mm watch on my medium-sized wrist. Just for reference, I do have just under a 7-inch wrist. So if your wrist is larger than that, it's probably going to be a perfect watch for you. Now the case on this watch is very familiar. This is the design that you've probably seen on the older traditional Speedmasters over the years. This watch was introduced back in 1957, so that's like 65 years ago. The bezel ring on this watch is a blue ceramic liquid metal bezel. Matches the dial very nicely. Resistant to fading and scratching. The older models would have had an aluminum ring, so that would have gotten scratched up or faded over time. So ceramic rings are a welcome. It always looks new. You can just wipe it off and it still looks new. The dial on this watch is a familiar Speedmaster index dial. This is the one we actually see on the modern Speedmasters with two counters on the left and right. So here are the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position. Now there's luminescence on all the hour markers and hour and minute hands. It's easy to read this time, even in low light conditions. What is different about this dial is that there's only 2 subdials instead of 3, which you would see on a normal traditional Speedmaster. The third one being here at the 6 o'clock position. In place of that, we actually see a moon phase indicator here. And on the 9 o'clock position, you'll see that it's actually a date function rather than a chronograph counter. The movement on this watch is a coaxial master chronometer 9904 caliber movement. We'll turn it over. You can see this large movement under this large exhibition case back. Beautiful movement. You can see all of it pretty much. It's beautifully worked. Now, yeah, there's an oscillator in the back of it, but it covers up a little bit of it. If you just turn it over, you'll be able to see the rest of the movement. Your traditional Speedmaster Moonwatch would have had just a stainless steel case back. And it would also be a manual wind movement because, yeah, it doesn't have an oscillator, right? Oscillators don't work very well in space when there's no gravity. However, here down on Earth, an oscillator helps keep your watch wound. That's why we use them down here. This watch has, the movement has a 60-hour power reserve, so that's a lot. That's 2.5 days of room to work with for a power reserve. And because it's self-winding, it's going to continue winding the watch while you're wearing it. Onto this strap here, the matching blue alligator strap, has a single fold-over deployment. Folds over like so. Put that back on my wrist again so you can see how it folds over. Just snaps into place. When you want to release it, you just press these 2 buttons on the side and it should open up that deployment easily. Slide it out. I might add that wearing this watch on a leather strap is much easier than wearing it with a full stainless steel bracelet. It's not as heavy. That means a lot to me. I don't want to be wearing a watch that's just too heavy on my wrist and make me want to actually take it off. Overall, this is a great everyday wear watch. It's an automatic, has a second hand. It has a date and a moon phase, all of which I would want in an everyday wear watch. Moon phase, I can do without. If you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 304.33.44.52.03.001. This is the Omega Speedmaster 2-counter moon phase. It's a 44.25 millimeter watch with a blue index dial and blue ceramic bezel on a blue leather bracelet. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.